If Microsoft Edge isn't working quite right, you don't necessarily have to reinstall it. The browser includes a built-in reset feature that restores its settings to their default state, which can often resolve unexpected behavior caused by browser customization or problematic extensions. In this video, I'll show you how to restore Microsoft Edge's settings to their original defaults. Let's begin. Launch Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, click Reset Settings. To reach it even faster, type Reset into the Settings search box. Now select Restore Settings to their default values. A confirmation window will appear explaining what the reset process includes. When you continue, Edge will reset settings such as your startup page, new tab page, default search engine, pinned tabs, and other browser preferences. All installed extensions will also be disabled, giving you the opportunity to enable only the ones you actually need. The good news is that your personal information stays intact. Your bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, cookies, and autofill entries won't be deleted during the reset. If everything looks good, click Reset to begin. The process only takes a few seconds, and once it's complete, Edge will be running with its default settings while keeping your important data in place. This is one of the quickest troubleshooting steps to try before considering a full browser reinstall. And that's it. You've successfully restored Microsoft Edge's settings to their original defaults. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Edge tutorials, browser troubleshooting guides, productivity tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.